I think that these are so fun. Now, first off, I know that's completely subjective. If you don't think that these are fun, then they're probably not going to be fun. But let me just go over the build quality so you can make the decision for yourself. First off, the glass tubes feel very thin. It's not like, they're not supposed to be the thickest glass tubes in the world, but very thin. But that also doesn't mean they're just going to break in your hand. I'm not going to sit here and squeeze it as hard as I can, right? But, of course, it's going to do a good job of holding water. I'm not worried about these things just breaking under the stress of the water that it's put in. Obviously, they're all very easy to remove. So we'll kind of leave them up there. We'll put something to keep it from rolling away. Oh, it's going to roll away with it. That's okay. The wood is actually, very inexpensive wood. It looks like it is straight up just burned or sprayed with something to make it look like a nicer wood, which even the nicer, in quotations, wood doesn't look crazy nice, but I think it does the job of holding up the glass tubes. So I really have no reason to complain, especially for the price. If you're looking for a little seedling container, not a seedling container, sorry, what's it called? A propagation area where you put all of your propagations. This is totally the direction you should head in because of all the reasons I mentioned. These are also easy to replace, so if one breaks, you're pretty much set. Overall, I recommend it.